I'm Jenne Claiborne from Sweet Potato Soul. Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite travel essentials. So one thing I always carry with me is this dry eye relief. It's all natural. I get dry eyes a lot. I also carry supplements with me. I keep them in like this little canvas bag. First off, medicinal mushrooms, not magical mushrooms, but the powerful healing mushrooms. This one is called agarikon. I have a B complex vitamin in case I get tired in the middle of the day. In case I can't sleep that well when I'm traveling, I have like a sleep blend. So that one has magnesium in it and valerian root as well. Ooh, essential oils. Love Sage Wellness. And I carry the Gutsy. You can roll it on to your stomach or onto your hand and lick it. It tastes so good. It's like anise, fennel. Those are my travel essentials. I keep them all in this tidy little bag.